Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make Spotify remember where you left off. Usually the Spotify application automatically backs it up, but if you don't find it on this now playing panel, what you can do is simply access this your library option. If you have saved your podcast, audios, or even songs, you should be able to find it over here in this recent tabs. Or you can also tap on this artist option to view that specific artist that you had previously listened to. Or what you can do is just tap on this search button, then head to this search box, then type in specific playlist of your podcast or your playlist. Then once you go there, you should be able to view, as you can see, where you and this is the part where you left off, and you can continue this simply just by tapping on this play button. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.